Hi there, Sandra here from Createinspain. Today I'm doing one of my shortcuts lot bites, and this one is on the transform tool. Now the transform tool is basically this one here, but also it is different options. So if we go to object and transform, you can see we have move, which is this one here basically. We have rotate, we have scale, we have flipping, and we have auto fit. Auto fit will basically fit it to the page. That's what that one does. So the other transform tools, let's go for the moving one. Now this allows you to put in either an absolute position. So we're talking about the axis. So X is horizontal, Y is vertical. And you can either put it in figures in here, or you can do it with this box here, and you can move it. So you could, for example, do this and click on apply, and it's moved it over. So you've done that from the absolute, or to the absolute position, I should say. But you can also do it from a relative position. So if it is in one position, you can move it by a set amount, and you can choose what that amount is. So if I now move it from this relative position, 10.4, it's going to jump an awful lot more, and it's going to do it in both directions because I've got both of those things filled in. So that's what makes the difference between the relative and the absolute position. One is relative to what it is already, and the other one is set coordinates on the XY axis. The rotation tool, this allows you to rotate from to a specific angle. So 25 degrees and apply it, and it's rotated it by 25 degrees. So that's pretty easy. And then we have scaling. Now scaling, you can scale by their dimensions, so you can put in the actual size that you wish to have it. You can have the proportions checked. In most cases you'll probably want that to do it in proportion. You can apply it to all pages in your design. So down here you've got a page number 1, you can add another page and another page and another page, and it would apply it to all the pages, or you can apply it individually. So each item that is on the page design will be increased by whatever, or to whatever size you put in. So that is the dimension one, but you can do it by percentage. So if I decide I want to increase that by 25%, just put it up that way and apply, and it's 25% bigger. So flipping horizontal, which is mirroring, flipping vertical, that's pretty obvious. And again, you can do it on this side of the screen as well. So that's it. That is the transform tool.